to my channel. As promised, today I will unbox the Hatchimals Spring Bouquet. To unbox, you will need a pair of scissors. Spring Bouquet Hatchimal edition, one Hatchimal is a bonus for you. Look! Isn't it lovely? Here's the manual on how to break the rose's shell. In the next video, I'm going to unbox these two single Hatchimals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and leave comment below. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!